Hello students, today I am going to show you how to do pencil shading in your nature drawing. Okay, so here you can see the drawing. Now I'll show you how to do pencil shading. Okay, for this if you are using grid pencil it's well and good, then only you can have dark, middle and light tone. Okay, so here I'll start with the pencil shading work. When we are doing shading, dark, middle, light, all tones are very important. So whenever you are doing, take care of all these tones. Okay, keep your hand very smooth, don't give any pressure to your pencil. Okay, very lightly you can do, and you will get all the shades properly with your grid pencils. Getting? This way we have to do the shading. You all are getting, children? We can see all the tones, dark, middle, light, and no need to give the border with your pencil. No need to do your picture dark. Okay? Whenever and wherever you can see dark tone, just give dark that side only. Your drawing should be light only. You can see dark, middle, light tone. Now this leaf is down and this is top, so shadow of this leaf will come here. So this tone, this side leaf will be dark because shadow will come. So we'll show here little dark part. You can see, children, all tones are visible. Dark, middle, light, highlight, everything you can see properly. For this thing, grade pencils are important. In HB pencil only one grade, we can't have all the shades, dark, middle and light. So grade pencils are important for this. We can have all the tones in grade pencil, okay, and which are very important in shading. Got now how to do? You can see, children, it is looking natural. You just try, you will able to do nicely. Okay, you just pay attention on all the tones, because tones are very important. Only because of tone our picture looks 3D. Getting idea? Just try. I'm sure you will able to do nice work. This way we have to complete our pencil shading. Okay. Okay, here we have completed our shading. You can see it is looking live and it is looking real plant, right? We can see all the tones, dark, middle, light, highlight, everything we can see in all the leaf, right? So this way you also try and show me your results, okay, how you all are doing, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, try it everyone. All the best. Bye children. Bye children. Have a nice day.